Welcome to Eat and Live Free. Thank you for tuning in today for this guided body scan meditation. A body scan meditation is a super simple and effective practice that helps you to tune in to how you're feeling both physically and emotionally in the present moment. It also helps with releasing pent-up tension. To add, it supports you with feeling more relaxed and supports you with moving through your day with more ease. Before we begin, subscribe for more guided meditations to support you in living more peacefully and for coping with life stresses more easily. Now let's begin. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position where your back is supported. Resting your hands either in your lap or by your sides. Also closing your eyes if you feel safe and comfortable doing so. Breathing in deeply, feel your belly expand. Taking your time to breathe out, imagining any tension melting away. Take a few moments to continue to notice the rise and fall of your chest with your breath. As you begin to bring your attention to your body, take a stance of observation instead of judgment. You may notice areas of comfort and warmth. You may also notice areas of tension or discomfort. When noticed, breathe lovingly into those areas as we begin to scan. Start by bringing your attention to your feet. Notice the feeling of them against the surface that's supporting them. What's their temperature? Warm, cool, neutral? Is there any tension? Any tingling? Maybe you feel the weight of your body being supported by your feet. Or maybe there's the feeling of lightness. Take a moment to relax your toes, the arches of your feet, and your heels. Gently release any tension as you imagine your feet becoming soft and fully supported. On your next inhale, move your attention up to your calves and shins. Notice the muscles along the front and back of your lower legs. How do they feel? Tight? Relaxed? As you exhale, let go of any strain that you may be feeling in your calves. Picture your calves wrapped in a warm, soft, and cozy blanket. And with every breath, your calf muscles continue to soften and relax. On your next deep breath in, bring your attention to your knees. How do they feel? Tense? Relaxed? Neutral? Are there any sensations in the joints? Any pressure? As you observe, allow your knees to completely relax. With every exhale, feel the muscles around your knees soften. as any tightness and stiffness is released. Now, shift your attention to your thighs. Is there any tension in the front of your thighs? The back? How about on either side? Do both thighs feel the same or different? Does one feel heavier than the other? More relaxed than the other? With each cycle of breath, allow the muscles in your thighs to become soft. Relax the tops of your thighs, the backs, and the sides. Allow the entire areas to feel at ease. After your next deep exhale, bring your awareness to your hips and pelvis. Do you feel any sensations of tightness, of discomfort, any pressure, any heaviness? Take a moment to soften and release any tension you may be storing there. Picture your pelvis as a sturdy, rooted tree trunk that's solidly connected to the earth. With each breath, feeling increasingly grounded as any tension melts into the ground beneath you. With your next nourishing inhale, bring your attention to your lower back and stomach. Notice the natural curve of your spine and how it rests against the surface beneath you. Is there any tightness in your lower back? In your belly? Any sensations in your stomach? How about any movements as you breathe, as you digest? As you inhale, feel your belly rise, and as you exhale, feel your lower back soften. Release any tightness in these areas, liberating any stored tension with every breath. Now, bring your focus to your chest and upper back. Feel the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Notice how your upper back rests against the surface. Are your shoulders relaxed or rising up to your ears? Can you let them gently drop down? Allow your chest to open and expand with your breath, letting go of any restrictions in your rib cage. In your upper back, releasing any tightness between your shoulder blades. Seeing and feeling the muscles in your chest and upper back becoming soft, open, and relaxed. Now, bring your attention to your neck and shoulders, areas that tend to carry a lot of tension. Feel the anatomy of how your neck connects to your shoulders. Do you notice any tightness or discomfort? Let go of any straining that may be present in your jaw or throat. With each breath out, feel your shoulders relax, dropping further away from your ears. Gently scan down your arms, noticing any sensations in your upper arms, elbows, forearms, and hands. Allow your arms to rest heavy, soft, and fully supported, with any tension floating away. Lastly, bring your awareness to your face and head. Notice any sensations in your forehead, your jaw, your eyes, and the muscles around your face. Is your jaw clenched? Allow it to relax. Soften the space between your eyebrows, smoothing your forehead and releasing any tension in your temples or around your eyes. Noticing how your scalp feels. Allow your whole face to become relaxed, soft, peaceful, and content. Now take a moment to scan your entire body from your head to your toes, noticing how you feel in this moment. Take a deep, life-enriching breath in, filling your body with fresh energy. Slowly exhale, releasing any remaining tension. When you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to this present moment. If you enjoyed this practice, I'm very excited to share with you that I'll be releasing a meditation book soon, and I'm also working on creating a meditation course for you as well. Click on the link below to join the waitlist so that you can be informed of when the book and the course is released, along with any updates related to both. I'm so excited to share them with you and support you as you continue on this journey for relieving stress and just living a more peaceful and content life as you deepen your meditation practice. Now wiggling your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently opening your eyes. Thank you for taking this necessary and very important time for yourself. Please continue to carry this sense of relaxation, awareness, and mindfulness with you as you continue throughout your day. Thank you, and see you next time.